Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I am going to tell about many computer science topic from basic to advanced. Today I am going to continue operating system from where I had left. Today I am going to continue from priority non-preemptive scheduling. In the non-preemptive priority scheduling, the processes are scheduled according to the priority number assigned to them. Once the process gets scheduled, it will run till the completion. Generally, the lower the priority number, the higher is the priority of the process. Now coming to the question here, there are six process numbers along with their priority and also the arrival time and burst times are given. We have to find out the average turnaround time and average waiting time of the question. Now coming to the solution of the question, we will have to prepare a Gantt chart for the question. At the time interval 0, no process has arrived. So the Gantt chart is in ideal mode. Now at the time interval 1, process P1 has arrived and execute for one time interval. So the Gantt chart become 2. At the time interval 2, two processes has arrived, that is P2 and P3. Since P3 has higher priority, so it will execute for one time interval. So the Gantt chart become 3. So at the time interval 3, two processes has arrived, that is P4 and P5. P4 will execute since it has higher priority than other processes. So the Gantt chart value become 4. At the time interval 4, all the processes came into execution. So now the process will execute the remaining full burst time according to their priority. Since P4 has the highest priority, so it will execute its remaining 4 burst time. So now the Gantt chart become 8. After that, P3 has the highest priority from other processes, so it will execute its remaining 2 burst time. So now the Gantt chart become 10. After that, P6 has the highest priority from other processes, so it will execute its full 2 burst time. So now the Gantt chart become 12. After that, P2 has the highest priority from other processes, so it will execute its 2 full burst time. So now the Gantt chart become 14. Now P5 has highest priority than P1, so it will execute its one burst time. So now the Gantt chart become 15. Now in the end, P1 will execute its remaining 3 burst time. So in the end, the Gantt chart value become 18. We're going to find out the completion time, turnaround time, and waiting time of the question from the Gantt chart value. So for the completion time, we will move from right to left value in the Gantt chart in order to get the right completion time. For the process P1, the completion time is 18. For process 2, the completion time is 14. For process 3, the completion time is 10. For process 4, the completion time is 8. For process 5, the completion time is 15. And for the last, that is process 6, the completion time is 12. Now going to find out the turnaround time. We know that turnaround time can be found by subtracting completion time minus arrival time. So for process P1, the turnaround time is 18 minus 1, that is 17. For process P2, the turnaround time is 14 minus 2, that is 12. For process P3, the turnaround time is 10 minus 2, that is 8. For process P4, the turnaround time is 8 minus 3, that is 5. For process P5, the turnaround time is 15 minus 3, that is 12. For P6, the turnaround time is 12 minus 4, that is 8. So total turnaround time is 62. Now we will going to find out the waiting time. Waiting time can be found by subtracting turnaround time minus burst time. So for process P1, the waiting time is 17 minus 4, that is 13. For process P2, the waiting time is 12 minus 2, that is 10. For process P3, the waiting time is 8 minus 3, that is 5. For process P4, the waiting time is 5 minus 5, that is 0. For process P5, the waiting time is 12 minus 1, that is 11. And for the last process P6, the waiting time is 8 minus 2, that is 6. So the total waiting time is 45. Now I am going to find out the average turnaround time and average waiting time. Average turnaround time is adding all the process value, that is 62 divided by total number of processes, that is 6. So the average turnaround time is 62 divided by 6, that is 10.33. Now coming to the average waiting time is adding all the process value, that is 45 divided by total number of processes, that is 6. So the average waiting time is 45 divided by 6, that is 7.5. Thank you. That's all for today from my side. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.